Hello, I'm Nadine Heights, owner of Heights Immigration Law and also co-owner of Caseflow, built on Monday. And I'm here at the AILA conference with Amy, and I'd like her to introduce herself.
Thank you, Nadine. It's an honor to be chatting with you.
Good.
I'm Amy Miller. I've been an immigration attorney in the San Francisco Bay Area for a very long time, about 25 years. And I am currently of counsel to Bean Lloyd Taylor, and we are avid Mondays.
Great. And so you are using Caseflow, right?
We are using it.
And when did you start using it?
Approximately about 2 years ago.
Okay, great. How did you find it was introducing this to your team?
Introducing it to our team was actually pretty easy because, every year we go over what is everyone's pain points and, we pick a few and we try to address them. And Monday addressed them all.
That's great. Are you finding that you're saving some time now with using Caseflow on Monday?
Absolutely. In a lot of ways. So everything is centralized Monday. So any one of us on our team can look and see exactly where a case is, who it's with, what stage it's at, what's happened with it, what needs to happen.
Right. That's really nice. That's really nice. And what's some of your favorite features?
The automation.
Yeah. And I hear you kind of learned to do some of these yourself in-house, right?
We did.
About that.
So it's a lot of fun to play with. There's so many tutorials. We could automate anything on Monday. And for example, one of our favorites is for biometrics appointments.
Right.
So we get a biometrics appointment, we scan it in, we get, 5 days, 2 days, day before, reminder the day after, please upload your stamped copy. And, we just set it and forget it.
Exactly. That's what I love too. Set it and forget it. Just click a button and it works.
Yes.
That is so awesome. I know you mentioned that some members of your team got Monday certified, which I think is really cool. It's not that hard to do, right?
It's really worthwhile because, we had members of our team get certified and then they really knew how to use it. And they could build on what you've already built.
Right.
And so we could just create any automation for any pain point.
Right. Right.
And it was really helpful, and we all learned from that.
Did you need to add any other boards, or did you find it worked for you for?
Yeah, we did add a number of boards.
Oh, wow.
So we have a USCIS board, we have a Consular Processing board, we have an EOIR board. We have a dashboard. You can see them all in place.
The dashboard is nice. Did you add that yourself?
We did.
That's great. Yeah, dashboards are wonderful for putting everything in one view and really getting a handle on what's going on. Do you find that staff meetings are easier now to just review things, or how are you handling that?
Yeah, we almost don't need meetings to review things because we can just look and see where the case is.
Right.
And it's helpful because when a client calls, one of us can look at the case and see oh, okay, it's waiting for signature.
Right.
Or, we sent it to the client 5 days ago.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Well, I'm so excited that I got to chat with you today, and I'm glad you're enjoying using Monday.
Thank you so much, Nadine.